Hello students, welcome to Toppscholars. Today we will learn about some operations on metric measures. This boy has brought some fruits from the market. Let's see what has he brought. He first got apples which were weighing 2 kg 500 grams. He also bought a watermelon. The weight of the watermelon was 5 kg 800 grams. He also brought grapes worth or of weight 450 grams. And he also got papaya of weight 1 kg 700 grams. Now this boy was thinking, what is the total weight of all the fruits taken together? How will he do that? Will it be easy to add 5 kg 800 grams of watermelon with only 450 grams of grapes? Because we see that in grapes there is no kg. So how do we add these fruits having weights in kg as well as grams? For this, we have to convert each weight into a single unit. Let us learn about conversion of units. Here it is. To convert from kilograms into grams, what shall we do? We'll multiply by 1000. To convert gram into milligram, we will multiply again by 1000. In the other way, if I have to convert milligram back to gram, what will we do now? We will divide by 1000. And to further convert grams back into kilogram, again divide by 1000. That's about weights. What if we talk about capacity? That is in liters. So liter into milliliter, we convert by multiplying by 1000. And in the reverse order, converting milliliter into liter, we divide by 1000. In the same manner, if we talk about length, that is kilometer into meter, we multiply by 1000. Now to convert meter into centimeter, we multiply by 100. And further, centimeter to millimeter, we multiply by 10. Now, let's do it in reverse order. Millimeter to centimeter, we divide by 10. For converting centimeter into meter, we divide by 100. And to convert meter into kilometer, we divide by 1000. So these are the conversions. Now our question was of fruits measured in kilograms and grams. So let us remember the conversion. To convert grams into kilograms, divide by 1000. So let us check how we add metric measures using the earlier example. So to add metric measures, they should be first converted into a common unit, and here we'll convert all the weights into kilograms. So if there is some gram, we convert that into kilogram. How do we do that? Divide by 1000. So let's begin. We had 2 kg 500 grams of apples. 500 divided by 1000 will give me 0.500. So my total kg of apples is 2.500 kg. How much watermelon or papaya was? 1 kg 700 grams. That is 1.700 kg papaya. Similarly, if I convert the grapes, which were 450 grams, I can say in kg as 0.450 kg. And last but not the least, the watermelon, which was of weight 5 kg 800 gram, only in kg I will read as 5.800 kg. Now let us add them. So we add 2.500 plus 1.700 plus 0.450 and 5.800. We add all of them. Now, we'll start from the extreme right-hand place, that is the 100th place. So, all the zeros add up to 0. In the next place to its left, we have 3 zeros and 1 5. The addition will be simple, 5. In the next place, when we add 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8, 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And 16 plus 8 will give me, yes, 16 plus 8 is 24. So we write 4 here and carry ahead the 2 part of it. Let's add in the next column, that is the column to the left of the decimal point. We have the carried forward 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5. Get my answer as 10. Now, where do I put the decimal point in the answer? The decimal point should be exactly below all the decimal points in the question. So, I put my decimal point exactly below these decimal points over here to get my answer as 10.450. So, what was the total weight of all the fruits? Yes, it was 10.450 kg.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.